Meet Qamar Zaman, a leading digital marketing expert dedicated to driving your business forward. With a proven track record of success, Qamar delivers customized solutions that align with your goals and yield outstanding results. Through strategic Google Ads campaigns, captivating social media marketing, and comprehensive online strategies, Qamar maximizes your online presence and engages your target audience effectively. He understands the importance of crafting compelling narratives that resonate with your customers, leaving a lasting impression and driving meaningful engagement. With a deep passion for his craft and a commitment to your success, Qamar offers personalized strategies tailored to your specific needs. His expertise extends beyond just selling products or services. He focuses on creating a compelling story that captivates your target market and sets your brand apart. By working with Qamar, you gain access to his vast knowledge and experience in the digital marketing realm. He stays updated on the latest trends and technologies to ensure your business remains at the forefront of your industry. Don't let your digital dreams remain unfulfilled. Take action today and reach out to Qamar Zaman. Let his passion, expertise, and dedication drive your business forward and transform your online presence into a thriving success.